Hi, this is HONOR X7b and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the settings and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the sound, vibration and silent modes. Just to activate one from them, you should just click on each of these icons. Here we got the don't disturb mode. We could turn it on or turn it off. We could set the schedule, the start, the end time, and to allow close messages or notifications from memory one, contacts, favorites, or from now on. So let's go back. Here we got the volume panels, calls, notifications, alarms, music, and calls, and ringtones, I think. No, this is the ringtone, this is the call. Okay, so just by slide to the left or to the right side, these windows, we could just volume up or volume down the sounds. Here we got default volume button control. Now we have selected the media, so this means that with the help of the volume buttons we will change the media volume. When you switch it to the ringtone, we'll change the ringtone volume with the press of the up or down volume buttons. Here we could change the phone ringtone and notification tones, and in more settings we got dial pad tones, screen lock and lock sounds, screenshots, screen touches, vibration, then ringing, and system haptics options. So just to activate and turn off all of these options, we should click to the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.